Alright, for 4.3 we also have the remainder theorem. If a polynomial f of x is divided by the quantity of x minus k, then the remainder is r equals f of k. What does this mean? Well, all we're really doing is evaluating polynomials, but we're doing it in a shortcut using synthetic division. So, what you're doing is you're looking for the remainder. The goal is to determine the remainder of the function. So, what is f of negative 4? Well, normally we just put negative 4 and replace all the x's and then simplify down until we have a solution, which works great. And you can continue to do that. But the remainder theorem is another way to go, and it may even be easier. Okay, so this is an equal sign. X equals negative 4, which is in this form. Before, when we did the synthetic division, it was in factor form. So you don't need to change it. If x equals negative 4, negative 4 comes out. I'm going to make my L. I'm going to use the coefficients 5, negative 1, 13, 29. Okay, my objective here is just do the synthetic division and find the remainder. Bring down your 5. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Combine those, you get negative 21. Negative 4 times negative 21 is positive 84. Combine 13 and 84, you get 97. Multiply 97 by negative 4, you get negative 388. Combine those, and you get your remainder of negative 359. And that's what I'm looking for, right there, the remainder. So my answer, I just write like this. F of negative 4 equals negative 359. And that's the remainder theorem. Okay, so same idea of synthetic division. You just have to watch out. It's giving you x is equal to, so whatever that is, you put it there. Look, do your synthetic division till you find your remainder, and that's how you evaluate the function. Okay, I'm going to do one more for you. I'll do number 9. X equals 5, so 5 comes out. I look here, my coefficients are 4, negative 10, and negative 21. No placeholders needed. I bring down the 4. 4 here. 5 times 4 is 20. Well, 20 minus 10 is 10. 5 times 10 is 50. And 50 minus 29, 50 minus 21 is 29. And that's my remainder. So my answer, f of 5 equals 29. Done. Alright, go for number 10. May need a placeholder on that one. Work it out. Why don't you pause now, because I'm going to go ahead and show you the answer. Here you go. There is the work. F of 2 equals 50. That is everything for 4.3. Adios.